Hello and welcome to You Again Yoga. I'm Jo and I have for you today a 10-minute de-stress for those moments where the overwhelm has become too much and we just need to come back to ourselves just for 10 minutes to reset. So finding a comfortable position wherever that is for you, it can be on a chair, it can be on the floor. Making sure the spine is long, feel the ground beneath you. And just take a couple of moments, soften the eyes closed and just breathe. Simply observe your breath, how it is right now in this moment. No need to judge. No need to change it, just simply observe how you are right now. We begin with a short breathing exercise just to bring some balance back into the body. So this is Nadi shodhana, alternating nostril breathing. So with our thumb and our little finger, we're closing the right and the left nostrils. So we take a deep inhale through both nostrils to begin, and a deep exhale through both nostrils. Close the right nostril with your thumb and inhale through your left. Close your left nostril with your little finger and exhale through your right. Inhale through your right. Close your right nostril and exhale through your left. Inhale left. Close the left nostril, exhale right. Inhale right. Close right, exhale left. Inhale left. Close left, exhale right. Inhale right. Close right, exhale left. One more round. Inhale left. Close left, exhale right. Inhale right. Close right and exhale left. Release your hand, inhale through both nostrils. And again, simply observe your breath. Check into your body, your mind. Notice any changes, notice how you feel. And when you're ready, slowly opening your eyes. Drawing your right ear to your right shoulder. Feeling that beautiful stretch down the left-hand side of the neck. And breathe here, 3 deep breaths. Stretching out the neck helps to stimulate your vagus nerve, which will help put you into a parasympathetic nervous system, this rest and digest to calm you down. Then gently tip your chin up towards the left top corner. Feel the stretch more down the front of the neck now, and again, breathe here. It does not have to be an intense stretch, just feeling the sensation. Shoulders away from the ears. And gently bring the chin back to center. Give yourself a shoulder roll. Second side, left ear to left shoulder. Feel the right side of the neck stretching. 3 deep breaths. Press the shoulders down. Tip the chin up to the right hand top corner. Feel the front of the neck stretching now. Shoulders away and 3 deep breaths. Make sure the chest is open. Beautiful. Gently bring the chin back to center. Give yourself a shoulder roll. Holding on to the knees, coming into either cross-legged position like me, or you can be on your knees, sitting on your heels as well. Or in a chair, holding on to your knees also works perfectly. Inhale, squeeze the shoulder blades together, puff up the chest, open the heart space. Exhale, round the back, suck the belly in and feel the back of the body long. Inhale, the front of the body lengthens. Exhale, the back of the body lengthens. Inhale. Take your attention to your spine. Notice the spine from the tip of your tailbone right up to the crown of your head. Feel the energy flow. Feel each vertebrae having a little bit more space, a little bit more flexibility. One more. And exhale. Beautiful. Come back to center. Take your right hand holding onto your left knee. The right hand can go behind you for a little bit of support. Lift the heart space, lengthen the spine, and on your exhale, gently turn over towards your left hand side. Keeping the spine beautifully long, filling up the rib cage. Deepening our breaths, connecting back to the body. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, come back to the front. Left hand onto right knee, right hand behind for support. Lengthen the spine on your inhale. Exhale, twist over towards the right. Feeling that beautiful space in the spine. The rotation in the center. Inhale to lift. Exhale, come back to the front. Taking the soles of your feet together into your butterfly pose. The heels can be as far away or as close as feels comfortable for you right now. Take that comfortable position, gently holding on to the ankles to lift the chest up. Inhale deep, and on your exhale, release your ankles, palms face up, and then surrender down towards the earth. It does not matter how deep you are coming here. The important thing is that you're just surrendering down, taking that time to curl the body in on itself, to feel that protection, to feel that safety. And then breathe. Each exhale relaxes the back of the body a little bit more. Let's take 3 deep sighs through the mouth together. Inhale to begin. Exhale, let it go. Inhale. One more. Beautiful. Calming down the nervous system, relaxing here, deepening the breath. Telling the body that it's safe, safe to let go, safe to breathe. Then gently press the palms into the mat or the floor beneath you and gently rolling up. Head comes up last, take your time. You can take your hands out behind you and your heels out wide and just drop your knees from right to left, loosening up those hips, finding a little bit of space in the hip joint, in the lower back. Continue with your deep breaths. And when you're ready, come back into a comfortable seated position, however that looks for you. And I invite you again to softly close your eyes. Observe how your breath is, how your body feels. Notice the safety of the ground beneath you. Thank yourself for giving yourself this time to calm down, to come back to you. When you're ready, gently opening the eyes, taking in the space around you. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this class, please subscribe for more short practices to calm a busy mind.